Tuesday morning, and thank you for checking out your Mr. Quik forecast. We have the heavy rain moving out of here this morning, which is good news. We need some dry weather out there. We'll still see some showers around today. We'll see a break this morning, and then another round of rain this afternoon, looking at our forecast here. And then eventually, we have snow to talk about this evening and overnight. Not much, but we will see some scattered snow showers around here this evening for the evening commute. And then tonight, continue to see scattered snow showers, as well as some very breezy conditions. We are under a wind advisory for today. Winds are going to really increase, especially this afternoon and evening, with gusts that could exceed 35 miles per hour. So keep that in mind. Windy and turning colder for the second half of the day today. Here's a look at the forecast radar as we go forward from now through 5 p.m. Again, we see a dry slot this morning, and then this afternoon we see some scattered showers around, starting to mix with some snow showers here right around 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon. You may start to see a few flakes flying around. And then tonight we will continue to see scattered snow showers, some snow squalls, which will make those roadways slick at times, lower the visibility. We will keep that wind around as well tonight, and it looks like we could see, a light coating of snowfall across the area, up to 1 inch possible in parts of northern Indiana, locally higher up there as well. So again, not a lot of snow, not much, but it will be just enough to cause a few problems on the roads tonight. As we look ahead through the rest of the week, I do have some good weather to talk about. Tomorrow, not going to be bad. We're going to see some sunshine working in, a fairly breezy day out there as well, but at least temperatures still get above freezing, even behind a cold front. It's not really that cold. And then Thursday, we see a very nice recovery, close to 50. Thursday's the best day in this whole forecast, really, so enjoy that. We'll see some rain late in the day Thursday, but nothing heavy. And then Friday, we'll see some cooler air behind that cold front. Friday night and a Saturday, we could have a chance of snow. Right now, the best chances look to be to our south. We will have to watch Friday night. Snow chances a little bit closer as we get into the next few days. Saturday looks dry, and then we have another chance of snow on Sunday. So definitely some winter weather potential as we go into the weekend. If you've been missing the snow, maybe we'll get some here going into the weekend. Temperatures actually close to normal. So, it's colder, but it's not going to be anything frigid. At least we're not talking below zero or anything like that. So we will certainly take that. That's all I have for your update today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.